Right, Coach. First of all, a very big disappointment. I'm not sure that's what we planned for, but another home loss. The 90 minutes today and what we need to do going forward.
Yeah, I think this is not the result we all expected. We came in very determined, very ready to get the maximum points. Unfortunately, we couldn't get it. We just have to try as much as possible to find solutions to why we are unable to win. I'm sure once we are able to do that, we'll be good to go. And as a coach, I need to make sure that I find solutions.
Right, and it's good that you're a psychologist. After 5 games without a single win for these group of players, it will take some doing for you to get back to winning ways. Do you think there are players you can get back to winning ways?
Yeah, I think they are. They are. If they come to training, they train well. The intensity of our training, the energy they put into the training, the desire, the enthusiasm, everything our training doesn't give any coach a doubt that on a mad day they will be able to perform. But then we come into the game and normally it's a different story. That's why I'm saying that as a coach, with my technical staff, we need to find solutions. I think we can bounce.
Once again, a lot of chances, if I could count, about 15 attempts, but today not a single one on target. Babaya hit the crossbar, Albert Amwa came on, hit the woodwork again, but nothing really to trouble Robin Sanyon in goal for Nations FC. What do you think is the problem, especially in the attacking third?
I think it's about lack of awareness, positional awareness, where they are, because we are able to carry the ball into the final third of the opponent, and especially when you get into the penalty area, you need to be aware of where you are. Once you are aware of where you are, you know the decision to take. The game is about taking decisions, and before you can take a particular decision, you must be aware of where you are standing in and out of the penalty area, and I think we need to work more on positional awareness.
Right, and from your experience, I know it's still a long way to go, but does this home loss again change the target for the club this season, and whether you're targeting the FA Cup and then trying to consolidate your position on the Premier League?
I think there are more games to go, so I mean we still stand by our purpose. I mean there are more games to go. As I said, it's all about finding solutions to what actually the problem is. Once we are able to find solutions, we'll be good to go.
Right.
Look at the goals we've been giving away. I mean, these are not goals that opponents work for. I don't know whether you agree with me. These are cheap goals, and some of these goals, when you concede them, sometimes they discourage you. But then it's also part of the whole thing, and we need to accept responsibility for that and move on.
Right. Your name is yours, please.
Coach, my name is Jeff Yacham from Aspo TV. So last season, your team scored 35 goals and conceded 29. And this season, you have played 11 games. You have scored 8 and you have conceded 9. It translates to a bad underperforming XG and XGA. So you said the problem is putting the ball in the back of the net. What solutions do you have for the problem to solve that?
It's all about working our training. I mean, creating match-related situations for them to work within, and then try and then correct it at training. And I must tell you, these are the things we have been doing at training. Video sessions. From there, we go to normal training sessions. They work. We are able to correct them. But then, as I said, they come into the game, and you can see some rush. They are in a hurry to play in front of goal. To play in front of goal, you need to be calm. You need to pick your target and apply the right technique. If you are able to do that, you'll be able to score. So we'll keep working our training.
Coach Ejekum Blankson. Coach, my question again, why your last 3 matches, maybe you have bring Fernando Winston. He has proved enough that he can play, but he always starts from the bench. And are you disappointed in your recruitment because the results are not coming?
I'm not disappointed in the recruitment. These are good quality players that can turn things around. I still have hope in them. I still believe in them. I still trust that they can turn things around. For Fernando, if you see the introducing him has been gradual. You saw today he played full 45 minutes. So we are with him at training and we know what we are doing.
Coach Osman Mohammed, Ezra TV, Ezra Radio. Last time you share, I was saying Bissau about set pieces. As a still and Konenim, meaning say we working on the training grounds. How far and set pieces more do man? Why am I could do?
We are still working on it. That's the only thing I can tell you. We are still working on it very well. If you look at today, we look more structured in the set piece. It's all about the technique execution. That is the problem, right?
Last question and then we have to...
Okay, Coach, my name is Raphael from Opemiso Radio. Coach, my question and my worry is, we saw that Justice Blay was not used in this game and Henry Ansu was used. That means you will be sticking to the back three. Do you still think at this moment of the season, the team still would be comfortable when you play this back three system?
Yeah, I think so. I think if you watch the game we played, I'm not sure the structure was anything. It was just goals we gave away. Yeah, because in terms of numbers in midfield, we had more numbers or even equal numbers. If not more, we had equal numbers and we could play. It's not about the structure. It's about trying to put the ball at the back of the net. I'm not sure they worry that in terms of our three back we played today. Let's be sincere. Even though we have lost, let's be sincere. Did they worry us in our three back? Not at all.